Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over the weekly Module 2 assignments. So in this folder, as usual, we have our objectives listed and two subfolders, learning resources and this week's assignment. So let me start by going over the first folder. What I recommend students to do is as they read the assigned reading of the textbook, which for this week, it would be 2.6 and 2.7, I need students to go over the PowerPoints as they read or after they have read the textbook. So these are the actual PowerPoints that I use in class, and there are even walkthrough videos for the PowerPoint presentation. So these videos go over all the problems and all the slides of the PowerPoints. So please do go over and watch these. And I'll say this again, something that I mentioned in last week's video is these two folders, videos and links, and also practice, these are additional resources for students. So what that means is that please don't be pressured or stressed out to go over everything that's posted under these two subfolders. These are solely for students' additional use if students feel as if they need to do extra practice on certain concepts, then this is the folder that you will go to find those resources. Okay, so that's the first folder. For this week's assignment, we have the discussion board. So for this week, you have to answer me two questions. First question is, how much time did you spend on homework 1? Second is, on a scale of 1 being very easy to 5 very hard, what was the difficulty level of homework 1? So I guess the hardest part of me trying to remote teach or plan is that I don't know if I'm assigning the right amount of work for students every week. So if this was a traditional in-person class, then I would be able to get immediate feedback from students, but since that's not the case, please answer these two questions for me, and it'll help me a lot in the future planning of the assignments and the lessons. And also students get the attendance credit by posting this. Okay, so for this week's assignment, we are covering 2.6 and 2.7. I think I assigned slightly less number of problems, 2.6. Other types of equations are this is the continuation from 2.5, and 2.6 covers linear inequalities and absolute value inequalities. So something that I forgot to mention in the video walkthrough video, the syllabus walkthrough video last week, is that although it's stated in the syllabus, the homework is graded based on completion, not accuracy. So what that means is that when I grade students' homework, I want to see students the attempt of all the problems that I have assigned. So if students give me just the solution, just the answer to the problems, and not the complete solution, that doesn't count as the completion grade. So again, please show me that you have spent time thinking about the problems, and so that should show some kind of scratch work. And if students are stuck on where to even get started with certain problems, then please do send me an email, then we can schedule a time that we can meet online, and so that I can help you. Okay, and also I believe I think I made a mistake in the video last week saying that these works the work is due Friday evenings, but all the work, both the discussion board and the homework assignments, are due on Sunday evenings by 11:59 p.m. And I think that's all the information that I needed to go over for this week's video. I really enjoyed reading your discussion board for the first week. I think everybody had interesting facts about themselves, and it's a shame that I don't get to meet you guys in person, but maybe we will in the future. I don't know. Okay, so with any other questions, please feel free to email me anytime. And this was the video for the weekly Module 2.